For real, this pissed me off. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. If you are the one who is for the first time here and who is seeing this face like for the first time, then you need to hit that subscribe button right now and also that notification bell next to it to get notified every time I upload a new video. Let's talk about this video. I need to show you all a huge haul which I recently bought. Products इसमें इंडिपेंडेंस सेल के हैं, कुछ पिंक फ्राइडे सेल के हैं, one product from Amazon and also I have a few products from HOKMakeup. So it is a compilation of various sites and I have just mixed them all and I'm going to show you what products I have got. Like it do have a skincare and it do have a lip care and it do have a makeup. थोड़ा रेशियो इधर उधर हो रहा है क्योंकि लिप केयर और स्किन केयर का प्रोडक्ट लाइक ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है, लाइक 1 or 2 products are there only. Other than that, I have everything related to makeup. So if you are interested in knowing what products I have received, I need to tell you something. Makeup पे I don't remember the brand. उसमें था कि अगर आप इतने की शॉपिंग करोगे, then you will receive a free product with that. उस free product के बारे में I need to share something with you. So if you want to stay connected with me, then please watch this video till the end to know what it is. In this video, I'm also going to tell you if you are not able to figure out which products to go for and which not. So I'll give you a little hint and an idea of these products as well. So if you are planning to get any of these, you can definitely go and check that out. I'll put each and every product's link in the description box below. So you make sure you definitely check that out. Let's just not talk and make that huge long video. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. I have this huge box from Nykaa. इसके अंदर सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं HO के, Amazon के and also Nykaa के सारे प्रोडक्ट्स इसमें हैं, which some of them I have already used. And let's just show you guys what products I have. Like look at this. Let's just start with this and also I like to mention here that कि मैं कोई specific products पे focus नहीं करने वाली हूँ. जो भी मेरे हाथ में पहले आ जाएगा, I'm just going to show you. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. First product I have in my hand is this Biotique moisturizer. It's a Biotique BioWheat Youthful Nourishing Night Cream. It has been my absolute favorite moisturizer from like a year now. Like I have already finished its 4 to 5 to 6 tubs. I don't remember. It's just so hydrating on your face and you can just 50 gram of the product. And let's just move on to the second product. The second thing that I have is this Vaadi Herbals Orange Lip Balm. It's like मतलब affordable range में आपको best quality अगर चाहिए तो you need to go with this Vaadi Herbals Lip Balm. Like so yeah, we have this next product right here. Next I have is this Maybelline Fit Me Compact. Like craving for this powder from really long time and the coverage that it gives in your face and your face looks so beautiful after applying it. मतलब foundation or concealer if you are going to apply this, it is like so beautiful. It's मेरे skin tone के और थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे skin tone है आपका मेरे से, then you can go with this the shade that I have and this is Natural Ivory. Like you can definitely check this out. It's if you are planning to get this one and was little confused, then you need to give it a try right now. Just go and check the description box right away. Let's just move on to the next product. This one is from Sugar Stroke of the Genius Heavy Duty Kohl. It's in the shade 03 Green Light. Like it is so deeply pigmented. I'm going to give you a swatch and you are going to like so beautiful. Like just look at this, the one swipe pigmented it is. And I also received a sharpener with this. Wait, I'll just check where it is. This is what the sharpener looks like. Crayon or Kajal pencils, दोनों चीजें इससे sharp कर सकते हो, which is a bonus product. Like I love this. And then I have a Kohl pencil from Nykaa. This is the Rock the Line Kajal. Really damn pigmented. Just check out the pigment it has. Just love it. ये आप कोल की तरह यूज कर सकते हो, आईलाइनर की तरह यूज कर सकते हो, कैसे भी यूज कर सकते हो. इट्स जस्ट परफेक्ट. इफ आपकी आईज वाटरी नहीं होती हैं, then it is absolutely a smudge proof. You need to give it a try. I have another Kohl pencil and it's from Plum Nature Studio and it's their all day long wear Kohl and it is absolutely a smudge proof product. Like it's absolutely smudge proof, jet black. ये सच में बहुत long lasting है, बहुत इसका जो pigment है वो बहुत matte black है. And again I have this sharpener with me from Plum. So we have this duo right here. Let's just move on to the next product. Then I have is this setting spray. It's Wet n Wild Photofocus natural finish setting spray. It product की quantity 45 ml है and is in the affordable range. You can definitely give it a try if you are looking for budget friendly setting spray. आप अगर personal use के लिए ले रहे हो then it's sufficient for you. Plus का matte version भी आप check कर सकते हो which is absolutely good also. तो दोनों में आपको जो भी ठीक लगे आप जाके check करो. Next thing that I have here is this. It's a Lakme Insta Liner blue version है. So I have this. Let's see how is this going to work. Wanted to try a colored liner, तो इसको try out purpose के लिए लिया है. So we have this product right here. And the next I have is this Blue Heaven Artisto Kajal. It is the most underrated product I have ever seen. Like packaging, first of all, I loved that. The pearl thing right over here was like so sturdy. आपको brush साथ में मिल रहा है. Like you have this handy brush with this, which is absolutely great. And इस brush से आप वो perfect sleek wing, पतली वाली जो आपको wing चाहिए होगी ना, this is going to help you with that. So you need to check this out. Like it's my personal recommendation. It's nice. थोड़ा सा flaky हो जाता है. Long term के लिए नहीं लगाना है. 4 to 5 hours के लिए चाहिए आपको. Then you need to give this a try. Product quantity इतनी ज़्यादा है कि last you really long. So move on to the next product, and then I have these 3 mascaras. This one is Wet n Wild Clear Mascara, which you can absolutely use for your lashes. And अगर आपको eyebrows के hairs fix करने हैं, then this is a good product to go for. The next I have is this Hypercurl mascara. It is the waterproof version. One that I had just got dried up, so I need to pick this up because I love Maybelline mascara so much. Next mascara I have is this Lash Paradise Voluminous LOreal. One thing I would like to tell about this product, like I just love the wand of this. So like, if you can see the wand right here, this has a real beautiful wand. It curls up your lashes beautifully. मैं LOreal में एक कुछ offer था I guess कि if you are going to shop for 1000 or 500 something, okay, then you will get a free gift with that. So this is what I got, and you need to trust me on this कि ये product I guess 850 or 900 का है, and I just purchased it for rupees 500. So you can call me lucky or whatever, but yeah, I just got this for rupees 500.
वाली story है वो मैं आपको बाद में बताती हूँ, पर पहले let's just finish it because I still have lots of products to show you guys. So वो वाली story बाद में करते हैं.
Next I have is this Miss Claire eyebrow cake. बहुत टाइम से मैं ये प्रोडक्ट ट्राई करना चाह रही थी. सो व्हेन आई फाउंड दिस ऑन सेल, गॉट माय हैंड्स ऑन दिस. इंडियन स्किन टोन के हिसाब से दीस 4 शेड्स आर लाइक बेसिक. इसके अलावा आपको एक्चुअली कोई शेड की जरूरत नहीं है फॉर आइलिंग इन योर आईब्रोज. नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट आई हैव इज दैट आई गॉट 3 of the foundations. Like this one is from Lakme, this is Maybelline, and this is LOreal foundation. This is my second tub of this absolute mousse. 25 gram of the product. Mousse foundation का जो texture है ना, it's so buttery. मतलब आपके स्किन में इतनी beautifully blend out करता है. आपका स्किन एकदम स्मूथ सा हो जाता है. मेरे शेड के आसपास हो या मेरा शेड है, then you can check this shade which is Golden Light 04. आपके स्किन टोन को definitely match कर जाएगा. The next foundation I have is this Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hour Full Coverage Foundation, and I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. Again, अगर आप मेरे skin tone के हो and you want this foundation to try out, then go for the shade number 128 Warm Nude. Which इस foundation के बारे में मैं क्या ही बोलूँ, like it blends like a dream in your skin. Huge variety range of shades. लाइट पे जाके अंडरटोन्स चेक कर लेना बस. बाकी अदरवाइज आपको आपका शेड डेफिनेटली मिल जाएगा. आप इंडिया में कहीं से भी हो, you'll find your shade definitely for sure. And the next product I have is this LOreal True Match foundation. It's super blendable foundation. This one has SPF 17 in it. I got these two LOreal products जिसकी साथ मुझे वो गिफ्ट मिला था, so I just forgot that. मतलब पहले मैं भूल गई थी, मुझे याद नहीं था कि मैंने ये फाउंडेशन भी लिया हुआ है क्योंकि बहुत टाइम हो गया मुझे लिए. So this one is in the shade Ivory and I will not suggest you if you are my skin tone then go for this shade because ये shade मेरी skin से light है, but I'll manage with this. But if you are planning to buy this shade then definitely don't go for this shade. Check out yours क्योंकि ये मेरा shade गलत हो गया है थोड़ा सा. Then please मतलब undertone वगैरह check कर लेना ताकि आप shade में अपने गड़बड़ मत करना. So that is my suggestion for you guys. This has a very runny consistency. Then I have got these two brushes. It's from Pack. Professional range में आपको brushes मिलती हैं Pack की. So this one is PAC007 and this is a concealer brush. Look how dense it is. Under eyes में थोड़ा सा आपको problem होगा इसके साथ क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा बड़ा है. Like you need to work precisely in your under eyes. Other than that, it is an absolute perfect concealer brush you can go for. And this one is in PAC252. It's flat foundation brush. Look at this, it's so dense. Like dense your foundation really well. Let's just move on to the next product. Next thing I have here is this Makeup Revolution London Sofx highlighter palette, and look at this beauty. Look at that color selection, like it's so pretty, so pretty. I hope that is visible. Look at this. It is just one swipe. I think ये visible हो रहा है कैमरे में. Actually justice नहीं कर रहा है कैमरा इसके साथ, but this is absolutely a damn bomb highlighter, dude. You need to give it a try. Makeup Artisto, then for you absolutely it is an investment. अब personal use के लिए ले रहे हो then it is not be. If you want it for professional purpose then this is an absolute investment for you guys. Just check this out. Then again I have this Revolution London's 3 eyeshadow palette. It's their reloaded collection and these 3 palettes I got from HOKMakeup. Yeah, this is in the shade Reloaded Vitality, I don't know what you call it, but yeah, there we have this colors right here. And I'll just give you a swatch of one product. अगर आपने मुझे यहाँ तक देखा then definitely you need to hit that subscribe button. Look at the swatch. It's pigmented, right? It's damn pigmented. Let's just move on to the next. Then I have this Reloaded division from the same Revolution collection and a complete huge shade range. Eyeshadows में like 2 to 3 shades were similar. Other than that they have like complete different shade colors. I'll just give you a swatch right here. I guess that is visible in the camera. And then I have this Reloaded Red Alert. So I'm just gonna give you a swatch of one eyeshadow from this palette also. I'll put it right here. Yeah, it's pigmented, right? So last but not the least, I have this eyeshadow palette from Swiss Beauty. It's the Hilary Rhoda one. It's in the shade 02. It is like a huge fan and you have a complete variety of colors to go with. And pigmentation is damn bang on. Just if you don't want to invest a lot in your eyeshadow palette, then you can check this one out. If you don't want to go with this colorful range, then you can definitely check its 01 shade Pali palette, which has like some neutral colors and some shimmer shades in it. I have shown you everything which I had. I need to show you something. बात कर रही थी like what product I have got जिसकी वजह से मैं disappointed थी. I got these two LOreal products जिसकी साथ मुझे वो gift मिला था. So like I have got this free product. It's a pouch case. It looks so pretty. Like for the first few days मुझे अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा. I already loved this thing, 3D effect they have given here, which is absolutely beautiful. It's spacious. जब मुझे कुछ use नहीं था तो I just folded it like this. Like the quality is something that pissed me off. Gift दे रहे हो अपने कस्टमर को तो कुछ ऐसा तो like वो आपसे शॉप करना चाहिए next time again and again. But this thing just actually pissed me off. For real, this pissed me off. कि इसमें सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा है but अगर ये पूरा फट के निकल जाएगा तो फिर ये किस काम का रहेगा मतलब. Okay guys, so finally I have shown everything that I had in my haul. So I होप कि ये वीडियो आपके लिए थोड़ी सी हेल्पफुल रही होगी कि आप कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स लेना चाह रहे होगे एंड यू वर बिट कंफ्यूज्ड कि अपना मनी इसमें इन्वेस्ट करना है या नहीं करना है. सो आई थिंक आई हैव हेल्प्ड यू अ बिट. आप यहाँ तक आए हो then you definitely need to subscribe my channel then and also hit the notification bell, क्योंकि अगर आपको ये वीडियो कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ी भी अच्छी लगी होगी तभी आपने वीडियो यहाँ तक देखी है. just for that sake, so I hope that it is worth it, and if it's worth it for you too, then please make sure you like this video, share it with your friends जो actually confused है in which product they should invest, and अगर उनके लिए वीडियो थोड़ी सी भी हेल्पफुल होगी that will mean the world to me. So please comment down below what do you think about this video. I'm gonna wrap this video right here. So guys, just take care of yourself and everybody around you. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, just take care of yourself and yeah, bye guys.